recording. Why'd that have to be easy?
You're unhappy that
it's really deep.
Yeah, I'm trying to drive from the center so we have more tracks later.
Oh, and if you...
Those are tracks?
Yeah, that's ours.
I don't remember being this deep when we came up.
Honey, we've been gone for 4 hours. Yeah, putting the center of the car over the tire track that we did previously was a good thing.
Some places I can do it, some places I don't feel as comfortable doing it, depending on where the doors are. I think that's on to drive over.
Oh, really? You don't want to get stuck on the right. Oh, don't fuck up my car or my tires. Can't we just move it?
It's too heavy. I mentioned when we were driving up that there's...
I know, I asked if you brought the hatchet.
I have a little saw in my multi-tool. 10 hours later, I made a hole in the fridge. So this isn't the scheduled snow? The scheduled snow is coming later, right?
Yeah, the real snow is coming later tonight.
So do we tell Dawn to plow or not?
Let's wait and see.
What?
Seemed like it.
No, there was no sliding. It's actually been really nice.
So I drove the difficult part?
Yeah. Well, we'll see. The uphill parts are going downhill. Easy.
So our driveway will be the worst part.
Yeah, probably the driveway will be the trickiest part, yeah. Because I can stop here if I want, but if I stop on the driveway, I have to back up and try again.
Really hard to stay in this
Need a
position.
dashboard camera mount.
Yes. Do they have such a thing? That'd be awesome.
Yes.
I did imagine, yes. Built especially for STIs. I hit that branch.
Yes, Adam. To the snow. When I plow with the max, those trees always get me too. I get out and I shake them so that I don't have to drive through it. Especially when I don't have the roof on.
Another branch down. A lot happened in the 4 hours.
Branch down.
Make it a good one.
What the heck?
I turned on the CD player. Awesome song.
How does that happen?
I don't know. Now the soundtrack to our drive. Oh, this is the bad part too.
Oh, by the...
This scares me probably more than anything. And that's why we left the game.
No problem. A little slidey, but...
And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Home, sweet home.
Get the back end or just pull in?
Backing end's usually nicer, but do whatever. Oh, God.
I think I'll just pull in. Four-wheel eye.
You're not going anywhere, buddy. Oh, shit. No, dig it out first. Dig it out and then we'll park it. Hi, honey. Did you have fun?
Hoorah!